This 6-bedroom, 6.5 bathroom home on the Destin Harbor will check off all the boxes for the discerning buyer, with a legacy home in mind. Merely entering the home inspires visions of family gatherings and entertaining. The craftsmanship is impressive, with reclaimed heart pine flooring, open beams and custom stone floors and surfaces. The full-service outdoor kitchen supports al fresco dining overlooking the harbour. This flows comfortably into the commercial quality kitchen with butler's pantry. The Grand Master Suite occupies the 3rd floor and emanates relaxation. Enjoy 360-degree views of the Gulf and harbour with cocktails at sunset from the rooftop patio. This floor is complete with fitness room, an office library and private terrace. The entire 7,500 square foot home delivers luxury in thoughtfully selected light fixtures and floor-to-ceiling glass that invites the outdoors in as part of the decor. Grand boating adventures begin right from home, with the 4 boat slips and 2 jet ski lifts, offering access to waterfront restaurants or the open waters of the Gulf of Mexico and Choctawhatchee Bay. A private beach access for the Holiday Isles community is within easy reach with golf cart parking. This legacy home is now ready for a new family to gather their memories of celebration and grand adventure.